Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to master Midjourney in 1 minute. Let's get started. Start by heading over to ChatGPT. Here you are just going to paste in exactly this prompt. You can get this prompt by going to the pinned comment. Just hit submit. When you get ready, you are ready to follow up with this prompt. Great. Now generate a prompt of your interpretation of the theme you want. Hyper-realistic photo. Fill in your theme. I want a black woman smiling portrait, big and colorful smoke as it was an aura leaving the body. Just press submit. Okay, so I got the prompt here. Let's just copy that and head over to Midjourney. Then just type /imagine, paste in your prompt and hit enter. And here we go. I got a black woman smiling portrait. So now you know the technique to leverage ChatGPT plus Midjourney to create a natural language prompt that fits perfectly with your theme. Now let's take a look at some images I created with this technique earlier today.